Welcome to my class. I'm a WordPress developer and website agency owner, and I noticed at some point that there are some customers out there that create websites on services like Wix, Jimdo or Weebly. Sure, these are good services, but this can also be your or my customers, right? So I started programming a plugin 2 years ago that give us as a developer or a website agency owner the possibility to install WordPress websites via a form directly on our servers. My name is Manfred Sandner. I love WordPress, and sorry for my bad English, I'm from Bavaria, Germany. So please let me give you a short overview of the possibilities that you have with the plugin. First, use your favorite form plugin to create the form. WPForm, Form, Formidable, Caldera, Contact Form 7 and Gravity are the forms that we support at this point. Second, choose what website templates do you like to offer to your customers, or for sure you can also create your own website and upload them to our backend, and then you have the option to sell your own pre-built websites to your customers. Third, decide where you like to install the websites. If you have a WHM server, a cPanel or a Plesk server, you have the option to install the websites directly on your own server. If not, you have also the possibility to install the websites temporarily on our server. And last but not least, you can also give your customers the option to install the WordPress websites directly on their own cPanel. Fourth, create an email template. This email template will be used to send your customer an email with the credentials about 10 minutes after your customer sent the creation form. Fifth, decide if you like to install the website without charging. So for example, you can give your customers the option for a 14 days trial or something like that, or relate the website installation directly with a WooCommerce product to charge your customers immediately. And sixth, copy the shortcode and place it anywhere in your website, and you are ready to install and sell websites on the fly. So let's start, enroll to the course and sell more websites than ever before. Thank you.